Okay, so someone asked me to do a tutorial for the bikini bottoms. So this is the yarn that I use. It's a baby cotton, but it's 50% acrylic, as you can see, 50% acrylic and 50% cotton. When I was at the yarn store, the lady suggested that I not get all cotton because when water hits cotton yarn, it gets heavy. So when it's just mixed blend with acrylic and cotton, it can dry a little faster. So I use this right here, and I'm using a size 2 crochet needle hook. Okay, let me show you closely. I don't know if y'all can see that. And you will need a pair of scissors. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's begin. So we are going to okay, so we are going to chain 17 chains. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We are crocheting 13 stitches. So we are going to do, we going to go in the fifth row and double crochet. We're just gonna crochet across. Okay, so I did 13 going across, chain up 2 times, or 3. Let's do 3. Okay, I like to go in this very first one right here. Okay, let's count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. I don't know why I want to do an extra one right here, but anyway. Chain up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So let's come back. No, let's do 6 rows of this and then we'll come back. Okay, I'm back. So, okay, so we are increasing now. Don't mind my background. I'm listening to Aaliyah face. Yeah, the girl can talk, but we love her. Okay, so you're gonna increase 2 rows and then 1 row you're not gonna increase. And you're gonna measure the length of it from here to the length of it is supposed to be 18 centimeters. Okay, so we went right there. So we crochet two. The first hole we crochet 2 stitches, 2 double crochet, and then 1 across. Okay, so we at the end. So let's crochet 2 double crochets in the last hole and turn it around. We chained up 3, go in the first one, and we are increasing for the second row. So remember, you increase 2 rows in the front, first stitch and last stitch, you increase, and then the third row you don't increase. So let's crochet all the way across, 1 double crochet in each hole. Okay, so we crochet to the end, and now we increasing at the last hole. We crocheting 2 double crochets at the end, chain up 3. So now this row we don't increase. We increase on 2 rows, we don't increase on this row. So let's crochet across 1 double crochet in each hole. Okay, so we crochet in the last double crochet in the last hole. Okay, so now we are going to do another 2 rows of increases, 1 increase at the beginning, 1 at the end, 2 rows of that, and then another row of no increasing until it measures from here to there 18 centimeters. So we'll be back. Peace and blessings. Okay, so I finished it. Mine's measured 18 centimeters. Let me show you. From here to here, 18 centimeters. So we have officially finished the front of the bikini bottom. So now we are going to chain 65, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's come back. So we almost did 65. Let's crochet 5 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 65. And this is enough to reach the back when we do the back. So see you in the next part. We are going to be crocheting from the bottom of the front on up for the back.